Hello friends, welcome back to the UPSC Freaks. In today's class, we are going to start a new series of 100 MCQs. This 100 MCQs will be very important or will be based on the current affairs that is between January 2020 to August 2020, and this 100 MCQ questions will be very important for your upcoming exams like FCAT, CDS, INET in this coming year, that is 2020. So in today's class also we are going to cover 10 MCQ questions. So without wasting any time, let's see what is our first question. What is the capital of Brazil? Your options are Sao Paulo, Rio de Janeiro, Brasilia, or Fortaleza. So the right answer is Brasilia. Now, why this question is important? Recently, President of Brazil paid a state visit to India from the 24 to 27 January 2020. So, it becomes very important for us to remember what is the capital of Brazil, what is its location on the world map. Also, an important point to note here is that Brazil lies on Tropic of Capricorn. So, you need to memorize what all are the countries which fall or which lies on Tropic of Capricorn. So, let's move on to the next question. Who was the chief guest at India's 71st Republic Day parade on 26th January 2020? Your options are Donald Trump, Jair Bolsonaro, or Vladimir Putin of Russia, or Benjamin Netanyahu of Israel. So, as you all might have known or you all might have seen that Brazilian President Mr. Jair Bolsonaro was the chief guest of India's 71st Republic Day parade on 26th January. Also, this was the third time that a Brazilian president was India's chief guest. Earlier, India had received Brazilian president as the chief guest in the parade of 1996 and 2004. So let's move on to the next question. First Maitri was organized between India and A. USA, B. Bangladesh, C. Sri Lanka, or D. Brazil. So the right option is Brazil. Recently, first edition of Maitri. Maitri is an agri-tech cross incubation program. In this, 5 startups, each from Brazil and from India, would visit each other country. That is, 5 startups will go to Brazil and 5 startups will come from Brazil to India. And this in this the scientist will look or will try to innovate the best practices in agriculture. So this first edition of Maitri was organized between India and Brazil. So let's see what is the next important question. Which state has recently passed a resolution to dissolve the legislative council of that particular state? So the options are A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Maharashtra, C. Kerala, or D. Tamil Nadu. So the right answer is Andhra Pradesh. Recently, Andhra Pradesh State Legislative Assembly has passed a resolution to dissolve Legislative Council. So you must know what are the two houses because the Legislative Council is an optional house in the state. Either state can opt for Legislative Council or they can also opt to dissolve the Legislative Council of the particular state. So, recently, in the present time, there are only 6 states that have the second house of the state legislature. That is, they both the 6 houses or the 6 states have both houses of the state assemblies. These 6 states are Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, Telangana, and Maharashtra. So these are the 6 states that have both state legislative assembly and state legislative council also. But since Andhra Pradesh has passed legislative council abolition bill, so now parliament will pass another bill so that legislative council of the Andhra Pradesh is dissolved. So let's see what is the next question. Which article deals with the abolition or creation of state legislative council? A. Article 162. B. Article 170. C. Article 171 or D. Article 169. So this question is the continuation of the last question. So the right answer is Article 169. The Article 169 gives the state legislative assembly the power to create or to dissolve the legislative council. So you must see what is Article 169 more briefly than all the other articles. Also, if you have time, then you can see what is Article 162, Article 170 or 171. So let's move on to the next question. Which article of Indian Constitution deals with the power of President to grant pardons, to suspend, remit or commute sentences in certain cases? So, in this question, the power of president is being asked that in which article the certain provisions of the certain provision of the president is given. Is it Article 74 or Article 14 or Article 161 or Article 72? So the right answer is Article 72. The Article 161 also contains the same provisions, but this article deals with the governor. The Article 14 is not absolutely not the answer since it deals with the fundamental rights. And Article 74 deals with the power of the cabinets. So the Article 72 is the right option. So let's see what is the next important question. Vyomitra, a half humanoid, is developed recently by A. ISRO, B. DRDO, C. NASA and D. SpaceX. So the right answer is ISRO. ISRO is planning to send human in space by the year 2022, and for that ISRO is trying to test its crew module. So Vyomitra is a very important development in this field. So let's see what is the next important question. Name the first cooperative bank to get permission from the RBI to convert into small finance bank, that is SFB. So the options are A. Bharat Cooperative Bank Mumbai Limited, B. Goa Urban Cooperative Bank Limited, or C. Shivalik Mercantile Cooperative Bank, or D. Indian Mercantile Cooperative Bank. So the right answer is Shivalik Mercantile Cooperative Bank, and this cooperative bank has become the first cooperative bank to get the permission from the RBI to convert into small finance bank. So, in addition to this, you must also see what is a small finance bank and what is a cooperative bank. So, let's move on to the next question. United Nations Conference on Trade and Development has a permanent secretariat at A. Stockholm in Sweden, B. Geneva in Switzerland, C. New York in USA, or D. Brussels in Belgium. So the right answer is Geneva in Switzerland. So our United Nations Conference on Trade and Development is a permanent intergovernmental body, and it reports directly to United Nations General Assembly and to United Nations Economic and Social Council. So let's move on to the next question. So, United Nations Commission on International Trade Law, that is UNCITRAL, is headquartered at Vienna in Austria, Hague in Netherlands, Bern in Switzerland, and Geneva in Switzerland. So the right answer is the Vienna in Austria. So, what is a UNICITRAL? UNICITRAL is a subsidiary body of UNGA, that is United Nations General Assembly, and it was established in 1966, and it is the core legal body of the UN system in the field of international trade, as the name suggests. So that's all for this class. In today's class, we have done 10 MCQ. Tomorrow, we will be again discussing 10 more MCQs. And this series will go on till the FCAT exam. So that's all for this class. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe this channel.